Hey guys, Chris from Dunn Watson. Just want to show you a van fit out that's going out this week. Now this might look similar to one we've recently done, very similar setup. But if we run through it quickly, we've got a custom ply false floor there. We've then got two drawer setups on the passenger side. We have a double eco drawer. These are all fitted to our 227 locking slides, so they do lock out. They're going to take a fair bit of weight. We've also added our locking lever bar there for one-handed operation. You've got two really big drawers there. Then on the driver's side, we've got one drawer there. You'll notice this drawer here is actually slightly shorter than the other side is. There's actually a compartment on the back there. There's a sealed unit for a battery or anything down the track. Finish it off with the nice ply top there. On each side you have two removable wing kits with heaps of storage space down there. And then if we just come down the side of the van here, finished off very nicely across the back here. So we actually have a lockable sealed unit here. One compression lock there, fully sealed and siliconed. So really nice fit out. This one actually was to the custom specs.